we are going to learn a 5-digit number. Which? A 5-digit number. Okay, students, ready everyone? Good. So now I'm going to share you one image. With the help of image, you will understood better. Okay, now see, my screen is visible to everyone now. Okay, good. Wait a second. Yes, Sapna teacher, am I audible clear? Now I'm going to explaining you subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers by borrowing. It is already given to you one solving sum. That also I was explaining now. That I'm going to explaining you the solving sum also. Be ready. Okay, everyone? Okay, good. Now look at here, students. Now I'm going to make the zoom that screen. Yes, see. What is your sum? 45,005 minus 37,857. This is your sum. Okay. Now 5 minus 7. 5 is the small number. So how 5 is written? Top one. Now down in the tens column, what given in column? It's a 0. So you want to top side 0 again. You want to write top side 0. Okay. Because 0 is there from 0. You are not taking any number. Again come in a 100 column. Again same is there 0. So top column of the zeros, top column, you want to write again 10. Why 10? Because we are going to 1 from 5. From 5. Wait a second, I am going to explaining you properly. From 5, you want to take 1 here, remaining here 4. Again from this 10, you want to give 1 here. Okay. First of all, only 0 is there. So 1, how will come? From this 10. So 10 minus 1. That means total here, how much remaining? 9. And you want to give the 1 from units column. Right? You want to give the 1 from units column. So remaining here, again, 9 is there. Okay, how 1 is carried? Now, 15 minus 7. Count it 15 minus 7. Yes, in a units column. Count it 15 minus 7. It is already given to you. The answer is 8. 9 minus 4. Yes, 9 minus 4. It is already given you the 5. 9 minus 5. Your answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. In a tens column C. 9 minus 5. Your answer is 4. In a 100 column C. The 9 minus 8. The 9 minus 1 to minus. Your answer is 1. After that 14 minus 7. Your answer is 7. And 3 minus 3. Your answer is 0. So what is your correct answer? 7,148. 7,148 is your correct answer. Okay, this is the solving sum. Now I'm going to explaining you one subtraction sums, like not solving sum, means it's a clear properly. Wait a second, I'm going to explaining you with the red color. Ready everyone? See, this sum I'm going to explaining you. Everyone look at properly, concentrate properly. Okay, student? Ready everyone? Good. Now see, 5. 5 is a smaller number. 8 is a bigger number, right? You want to write 5 over here. You want to take 1 from here. Remaining is here 0. Because 1 is already given to you here. After that, now 15 minus 8. Count it 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. Your answer is 7. Now 0 minus 1. It is possible? No. What you will do now? From 7, you want to take 1 here. Remaining is 6 because 7 minus 1. 1 is going to the tens column. So 7 minus 1 remaining is 6. So again you want to do the subtraction 10 minus 1. What is the answer 10 minus 1? It's a 9. Again 6 minus 6. From this 6 to this 6 minus 6. Your answer is 0. Your answer is 0. Good. Now 2 minus 1. It is subtract because 2 is a bigger number. 1 is a smaller number. So 2 minus 1. Your answer is 1. After that 4 minus 2. 4 is a bigger number. 2 is a smaller number. So 4 minus 2. Your answer is 2. 4 minus 2. Your answer is 2. So what is your answer? Full answer 21,097. 21,097. Till here everyone understood which I was explaining you some. Yes, students. Clear? Wait a second. Which I was explaining from the textbook. That sum everyone cleared. Give me response in a chat box. This sum everyone cleared. Yes or no? Give me response in a chat box. Yes. Okay. Give me answer in a chat box. Everyone cleared this sum. Okay, good. Very nice. Now we will go to our next sum. We will go to our next sum. Be ready for the next sum. Okay, student? Now first sum is over. This sum is already over. This is already over. Okay. Now go to the next sum. Wait a second. Yes. This is the second sum. Everyone clear? See our second sum. I'm going to make it in a blue color. This is second one sum. Okay. Already the 5 column given to you. 10,000 column, 1,000 column, 100 column, tens column, units column. Okay. Listen properly. Don't give the message in a chat box. After my explanation, I'm going to ask you. 4. 4 is a small number. 5 is a bigger number. So 4 minus 5, it is possible? No. So you want to write 4 in a top of the 4. After that, you want to take the 1 from tens column. So in tens column, how many remaining now? Single 1 is remaining, right? So first of all, must subtract from the units column. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Yes, give me the answer. 14 minus 5. Your answer is 9. Correct? After that, 1 minus 6, it is not possible because 1 is a small number and 6 is a bigger number. So 8 minus 1. From 8, you want to give the 1 in a tens column. So 8 minus 1, how much remaining in a 100 column now? 7. 11 minus 6. Yes. 11 minus 6. Yourself you want to count. Yourself you want to subtract. 11 minus 6. Your answer is 5. Right? After that. 7 minus 4. 7 is a bigger number. 4 is a smaller number. So 7 minus. Your answer is 3. Right? Again, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Your answer is 4. And 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Your answer is 2. 5 minus 3. Your answer is 2. So what is the full answer? 24,359. 24,359. Okay. This is the second sum. Okay, students. Wait a second. Okay. Now give me response in a chat box. That second sum, everyone clear? What is the correct answer? 24,359. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay. Till here, tell me, everyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt about not understood how to carry, how to minus? Anyone is there? Not understood? Yes. Freely and frankly say, students, if suppose you have doubt, then ask me. I am going to explaining you again. I'm going to explaining you again. Anyone have doubt? No doubt. Good. Okay. Yes. So these two sums everyone understood, because after that I'm going to solve from your side. Now I'm not going to solve any sums regarding 5 digits. Understood? Yes. Now 2 sum I given you. Have to solve the 5-digit subtraction sums. Wait a students. Wait a second. Yes, Kapil Tiwari. Kapil Tiwari. Okay. Now look at here. We will take now the next sum. Yes, now we will take one again sum. Wait a second. See this sum. This is 7th one sum. 7th one sum. Ready everyone? 7th one sum. Now no one is chatting. No one is typing the message in a chat box. Now see the 7th one sum. I'm going to explaining you this sum. 7th one. Okay. Yes. Give me your answer. 0 minus 0. What is the correct answer? 0 minus 0. 0. 0 minus 0 again. 0. In a 100 column, 0 minus 0. 0. Now tell me 0 minus 5. What is the correct answer? 0 minus 5. Yes. 0 minus 5. It is not possible. So we want to take the carry here. How? 0 you want to write here. 5 minus 1. 1 you want to give in a 1000 column. So remaining. How much? In a 10,000 column. It's 4. 10 minus 5. Your answer is 5. 4 minus 3. Your answer is 1. So what is your correct answer? It's a 15,000. What is your correct answer? It's a 15,000. So when 0 will come at that time, don't be confused. Okay. 0 no. For it 0, it not having any value. So 0 minus 0. Your answer is 0 will come. Now go to the 4th number sum. Go to the 4th number sum. 9 minus 9. Yes. 9 minus 9. 0 will come. 2 minus 1. 1. 4 minus 2. You want to count yourself. 4 minus 2. Your answer is 2. 4 minus 5. It is possible. 4 minus 5. No, because 4 is a small number. 5 is a bigger number. So you want to write 4 over here. You want to take 1 from 10,000 column. And 3 minus 1. How much remaining in a 10,000 column? It's a 2. So you want to subtract from 1000 column. 14 into 5. It's a 9. 14 into 5. It's a 9. And 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. It's a 1. So what is the answer? 19,210. What is the answer? 19,201. 19,201. What is the correct answer? 19,201. Now give me response in a chat box. Everyone cleared? Those students not understood. They are confused in a 5 digit. I'm going to explaining you again. Okay, student. Ready, everyone? Now I'm going to write, yes, 5 sum of textbook. Okay. Now, wait a second, students. I'm going to write on a whiteboard. $55,687 minus 34,175. It's without borrowing. First of all, give me answer from the right side. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. Yes, I'm going to solve. Prathamesh, wait a second. 7 minus 5. It's a 2. Very good. Very good. 8 minus 7. It's a 1. 6 minus 1. It's a 5. 5 minus 4. It's a 1. 5 minus 3. It's a 2. Over here. 21,512. This is your correct answer. 21,512. It is your correct answer. Now I am going to solve one sum. It is given in a chat box. Prathamesh having doubt about this sum. Now I am going to explaining you that sum. Okay, student? Yes, Prathamesh. What is your sum? Already given in a chat box. Yes. 50,709. 50,709 minus 32,815. 32,815. Student, ready everyone? Now I'm going to solve this sum. I'm going to solve that sum on whiteboard. Okay. Now see, I'm going to write the number over here. Look at properly how I'm going to solve. 50,709 minus 32,815. 32,815. Okay. Now, give me answer 9 minus 4. 9 minus 5. Sorry. Give me answer in a chat box. 9 minus 5. Your answer is 4. 0 minus 1, it is not possible because 0 is a small number. 1 is a bigger number. So you want to write 0 over here. Good. You want to take 1. You want to take 1 from 7. It is remaining 6. 6 minus 8 it is not possible because 6 is a bigger number, 8 is a smaller number. So you want to write over here 0 again. 5 minus 1, 4. 10 minus 1, 9. Now you want to solve this sum. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 1, 9. This 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. Your answer is 8. 9 minus 2. Your answer is 7. And 4 minus 3. Your answer is 1. So what is your correct answer? 70,894. What is your correct answer? 70,894. Yes. Cleared everyone now this sum? Yes. Clear now? Prathamesh? I given the answer 70,894. Everyone cleared about that sum? Yes or no? Okay. Now I'm going to explaining you the 5 sums from the textbook. Ready everyone? Shh. Okay. Ready everyone? Wait a second, student. Okay. Subtraction sums. Okay. See, again I am given you the subtraction sums. It's from textbook. Ready everyone? Okay, now sum is there in front of you, 70,432. Ready everyone? Everyone cleared? My screen is visible to everyone? Okay, good. Now go to the first one sum, students. Wait a second, don't give the answer. This sum, which I put it red color. See. Okay? Yes. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, your answer is 1. 3 minus 2, your answer is 1. 4 minus 3, again your answer is 1. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4. Yes, answer is 3. 1 minus 1, your answer is 0. 1 minus 1, your answer is 0. Yes, tell me it is which order, horizontal or vertical? Give me answer in a chat box. This sum which I put it red color. It is in a which sum, horizontal or vertical order? Give me response in a chat box. It is a horizontal order which I was given you. It is in a red color. Yes, good. It's a vertical order. Very nice. Yes, it's a vertical order. Okay, good. Now go to the next column which I put it green color now. See, I'm going to put it the green color circle. Solve sum. This sum you want to solve now. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Your answer is 1. 2 minus 2. Your answer is 0. 3 minus 1. Your answer is 2. 9 minus 7. Yes, 9 minus 7. Your answer is 2. And 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. What is your answer? 5 minus 3. Very good. So what is your correct answer? 22,201. 22,201. Okay. Good. Now listen students, we learn this thing. We learn this sums. It is in a which order? It's a vertical order. Which order? It's a vertical order. Now I'm going to ask you the sums. You want to solve this. See. Yes. Now which I solve, it's a vertical order. Arrange vertically and subtract. Now you want to solve this sum which I put it the red color. First one sum. Give me answer in a chat box. Yourself you want to write in your notebook and give me the answer. 13,908 minus 2705. Yes, 13,908 minus 2,705. Minus your side, minus from your side and give me answer. Everyone is trying from your side. Don't take the help of parents. And don't copy from the chat box. Answer, don't copy from the chat box. Yes, everyone is trying to give the answer. Very good. Yes, everyone. Arohi Khan, beta, your answer is wrong. Arohi Khan, your answer is wrong. Minus properly. Subtract properly. Adarsh, beta, your answer also wrong. 11,204. This is the wrong answer. 11,204. This is the wrong answer. Yes, very good. What is the correct answer? 11,203. 11,203. What is the correct answer? 11,203. 11,203. Good. This is your correct answer. Now next sum. Yes. Now next sum. Look at properly. Don't type message in a chat box. See the second sum. Don't type message in a chat box. Don't send any message in a chat box. Now stop it. Chatting, stop it. See the second sum. 85,679. 85,679 minus 74,056. Now I am going to share you. Want to give the answer? 85. What is the answer? Next one, 85. Now I am going to solve myself. You also solve in your side and give me answer. $85,679 minus 74,056. Yes, everyone try yourself and give me answer. Good. Yes, very nice. Everyone try your side. From your side, I am not giving you the direct answer. This sum is for you. Yes, very good. Some students are sending the wrong answer. Some students, not all. Another all students are sending the proper answer. Your correct answer is 11,623. 11,623. This is your correct answer. 11,623. Good. This is your correct answer. Okay. Now students, tell me, everyone clear about today's word problem? See, how to add and subtract orally. How to add and subtract the orally. There two characters are given to you. First, Tai, and second, Medha. Tai and Medha. See the first one. Medha, Kunal, Jagannathan, come here. Let's play a different game today. One of you will tell two the numbers and the others two will add and subtract them. But you must not use a pencil or a notebook. In this word problem, you don't use the pencil and notebook. Orally, you want to solve. Orally, you want to solve this sum. Okay. What Medha is telling, does that mean we have to solve them mentally or orally? No need to taking the pencil and notebook. Okay. Okay, good. Now see, yes. Now see, Jagannathan telling 28 and 53. Again, Kunal say the sum is 81 because 28 and 3 equal 31. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is equal to 31 because it's a word problem. Don't take the help of pencil and book. Other any material. Because 28 and 3 is equal to 31, then we add the 50 to 31. 50 to 31. This means we add 5 times. This means we add 5 times. 10 to 31. So 41, 31 plus 10, 41, 41 plus 10, 51, 51 plus 10, 61, 61 plus 10, 71, 71 plus 10, 81. How you want to add? 5 times you want to add the 10. Understood? 5 times you want to add the 10. from 31 to 81. How many times you added? 5 times. Okay. Yes. Now go to the next. Medha. I solve it differently. I added 2 tens from 28 and 5 tens from 53. That gave 7 tens. The remaining 8 units and 3 units is equal to 11. This is added to 7 tens or 70. So 70 plus 10 plus 1. You want to add 70 plus 10 plus 1. 70 plus 10 is equal to 80. 80 plus 1 is equal to 81. 80 plus 1 is equal to 81. Understood? Now go to the last sum. This is second last sum. It's a solving by Kunal. See, subtracting 28 from 53 means counting forward from 28 to 53. 2 added to 28 equals 30. That means 2 you want to add in a 28. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. 20 added to 30 equals 50. 3 more added to 50 is equal to 53. This means that we added 2, 20 and 3. That is 25. 20 and 3 is equal to 23. Plus 2 you want to add, that is 25. And to 8, 28 to get 53. That means you want to add the 25 plus 28 is equal to 53. 25 plus 28 is equal to add 53. You will get the 53. That therefore 53 minus 28. 53 minus 28 is equal to 25. 53 minus 28 is equal to 25. Okay. This sum, it is from textbook, right? This word sum, it is from textbook. Okay, student. Now clear everyone the word problems, how to solve the word problems. In that word problem, don't take the help of pencil, rubber, notebook, anything, this material you don't want to take. Okay. Now I'm going to share you one video. With the help of video, you will understood the concept of subtraction. Okay. Watch it properly. If suppose video's volume is very low, so watch it properly. Now I'm going to explaining you this concept with the help of video.